Right then folks, back again, this time back to my motorbike videos. So the story goes is that I've been waiting for about 2.5 years since I bought my bike in 2021 to replace the Decat exhaust. Now I've already replaced the end can, as you will see here. So I've replaced that. So now I'm just going to replace this Decat pipe. So a couple of nuts and bolts there, Allen keys to take the cover off here, and then there's a sensor in there, which over there, and pretty simple, just that. It should be pretty simple. So if anyone says I haven't warmed the bike up, which I have, I've just been for a run, but I'll let you know how it sounds before and after. Now bear in mind, I've also taken off, I've never put the original baffle in this end can. I've always had it off. So just in case it's too loud, I might put it back on, but I don't think it's going to be that loud. So this is how it sounds before we've had the exhaust. And that's it. So let's hope it all fits, and I've got the new one here. I have it all ready. So let's get on with it. So here are the attachments: 2 downpipes and the extension, what we call this, which will be the valve goes in there, and the rest of the kit. I've also ordered another rubber seal for the end can strap. So this is for the Honda CB500F 21 plate, and you'll also need a 12mm socket and ratchet to take off header bolts. Right, let's get on with it. Right then, so I've taken off the 4 bolts, 9 bolts. If that stud comes out, that's fine, but basically most of them just the nut comes out. So I've taken that off. I've loosened the valve here, so I'm going to just undo that, and taken the cover off, taken this mounting off, loosened the this clamp, and we'll take this bolt off, and the whole thing's going to come off. I can't show you like that because I'm doing one-handed, but it should be fine. Right, so it's just dropped out, taken it out, and now we shall replace the new ones. Now bear in mind, on the new ones you will not get this exhaust cover. They don't come with it, which is a shame. Anyway, let's see how it gets on. Right, so I've just had to slip these 2 in. They are numbered, so you can't go wrong with that. So they slipped in quite nice and easily, so I'll be able to place these inside properly, and then all good to go, and just got to put the valve in. Like I said, there's no, there might be a cover, but I don't think so. Anyway, so we're nearly there. Right guys, so I finished, and this is the end product, all connected up with the valve sensor in it. And I'm surprised they made the actual holes for the exhaust guard, so that's a good thing. I bought another one previous to that, it didn't have it and it didn't fit, so that's all good. All connected up. The 2 springs underneath here, that's connected, that's connected, that's connected, that's connected, and that's all connected. Now also I need to emphasize, when you buy a bike, if you just put an end can on it, that will make a lot of difference to your fuel consumption. Now if you put this on, it should make a lot more efficiency on your fuel consumption, because this it has a catalyst, and look how heavy this is. This is really heavy. It's really heavy, and look, there's no catalyst in here, so its exhaust is going straight through, straight out, no messing about. Right, the test is in the pudding now. Shall we turn it on and have a look what it sounds like? Fingers crossed. Holy smokes, I might have to put the baffle in. But let's take it out for a test run and we'll see from there. But yeah, it sounds a bit more beefier, and I'm sure I'm going to get more fuel consumption on this, better fuel consumption. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.